Welcome to Fact Channels, where today we unlock the deep secrets of our ocean's gentle giants. Curious why whales are hailed as ecosystem superheroes? Stick around for 13 astonishing revelations. Consider this: whales are the gardeners of the ocean. Their movements stir the water, circulating nutrients that feed phytoplankton blooms. How about the fact that whale poop is a crucial fertilizer? Rich in iron and nitrogen, it supports the growth of tiny ocean plants which produce much of Earth's oxygen. Whale carcasses create whale falls, a unique deep-sea ecosystem providing sustenance to hundreds of species for decades. Did you know whales help combat climate change? By supporting phytoplankton, they contribute to carbon absorption, an essential process for reducing atmospheric company. Think about this. The song of the humpback whale can travel thousands of miles across oceans, playing a role in maintaining social structure among marine life. In a surprising twist, some whales like the beluga use echolocation so advanced it acts as a biological sonar, mapping out their environment with precision. Would you believe that whales have been known to save other marine animals, including seals from orca attacks, showcasing altruistic behavior? The presence of whales in an area indicates a healthy marine environment, serving as key indicators for oceanic health studies. Imagine this: blue whales can consume up to 4 tons of krill a day. Their feeding habits help regulate prey populations and maintain balance in the food web. Here's a thought: whale migration patterns influence nutrient distribution across vast distances, supporting diverse marine ecosystems far beyond their own feeding grounds. Whales' vocalizations vary by region and can evolve over time, creating culturally distinct communities akin to human dialects. How extraordinary is it that some whale species have strong family bonds and live in complex social structures essential for their survival and learning? Lastly, the death of a single whale can enrich an entire marine area with nutrients as its body decomposes, fostering new life even in the darkest ocean depths. Unlock more curious facts with a like, and subscribe to keep the truth alive.